Hi dear students, I am Shakira Vasahida. I am responsible to deliver lesson 2. Topic same or different. This lesson is devoted for the students of the third courses of all technical faculties. Now we will begin our lesson. At first we will revise vocabulary, relationships, exercise number 1A. Think of all the people you have talked to in the last 24 hours. What relationship do they have to you? B. Look at the words in the box and answer the questions. Boss and employer, classmates, partner, teammates, member, good father, good mother, mentor and pupil, financee and finance. Discuss the questions. Can you think about one man and one woman who have played important role in your life? Who were they? Why was the relationship important? The second, do you think man or woman are different in this role? How? Now read the text. Discuss. Do you think male and female brains are different? How? What are the stereotypes of men and women in your country? Now, speaking part. Exercise number 4A. Read the information. Which comments do you agree, disagree with? Can you think of any opinions to add? Do the men and women in your life comfort the normal stereotype? Why not? Now we will revise grammar. Review of verb tenses. Exercise number 5A. You must match the underlined verbs below with the tenses A, D. Exercise number B. Complete the rules with the correct tenses. A, D. Now you will watch film before doing homework.
Female brain versus male brain.
Are they really different?
Presented by developinghumanbrain.org. We've all heard that men and women think differently. The man's brain is like half and half. The woman's brain is like a fudge swirl.
Really?
Well, not exactly, but the truth is very similar to this. Not all human brains are the same. Here are the ways the male brain is different from the female brain. The male's brain is 10% larger. However, that does not affect the IQ. Gray matter contains most of the brain's neuronal cell bodies. Men have nearly 6.5 times more gray matter. White matter, made up of bundles, which connect various gray matter areas. Women have nearly 10 times more of it. As a result, men tend to be very task-focused, and women are great at multitasking. Women use both sides of the brain to process information. Men use the left side for most activities. Women have verbal centers on both sides of the brain. Men tend to have them on the left hemisphere. All that results in women that tend to use more words, and men who have a hard time expressing feelings. Women have more connections moving from left to right, while men have more connections moving from front to the back. This makes men have greater synergy between perception and action. They tend to resolve problems directly. It can also explain why women are more inclined to combine logic and intuition. Woman's brain has a greater blood flow than man's through specific regions. That may partially explain why women tend to be more empathetic intuitive, and collaborative. And also why women are more prone to anxiety, depression, and eating disorders. Women often have a larger hippocampus than men. That may explain why women are better at expressing themselves emotionally. Amygdala is larger in men. Maybe that is why men tend to respond to emotional stress physically. However, almost no one has a fully male or fully female brain. It is actually impossible to distinguish a person's gender solely by looking at a brain. And while it is important to understand the differences, it is important to remember that different doesn't mean better or worse. Thank you for watching.
Now, let's take it over to you. Does your brain match your gender identity? Do you think you have more of a male and more of a female brain? Maybe you're a man who is great at multitasking. Or perhaps you're a woman who finds it hard to express her feelings. Let us know by leaving a comment below right now.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Now you watched film about male and female brains. Give me your opinion. Now your homework. Read the text below and put the words in the bracket into the correct tense. Goodbye, our lesson is over.